The banded rudderfish has several distinct features. It gets its name from its several dark vertical bands that are present on its body when they're juveniles, which fade as they age. These fish have 2 dorsal fins, with the first one having 8 spines. As a side note, pilotfish, which look very similar to juvenile rudderfish, only have 1 dorsal fin. A subtle yet important detail to look out for is the shape of its upper jawbone, which is flat on top, and its corner doesn't curve upwards. This is usually one of the more reliable ways to distinguish a banded rudderfish from its other close amberjack relatives, which have more curved upper jawbones. These fish may have a band that runs through its eye all the way to the origin of its first dorsal fin, though these fade with age. Some may also have white tips on their tails. It can be found in the western Atlantic, from Nova Scotia, Canada, all the way down to Brazil. This range includes the Gulf of America and portions of the Caribbean Sea. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description. Tight lines, everyone.